Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. This is the scans and the stock preview for this coming trading session, Wednesday, March 13th, 2013. The session was kind of back and forth with a fair amount of the losses being recovered by the end of the day here. So what we're left with here is kind of a mixed condition as far as the signals go. We've got a couple of buys, we've got a couple of sells. Definitely want to focus on the volume movement. There are a couple of decent movers today. Biogen had good volume. Broadcom was strong and closed about 3% above the open here on good volume, so definitely keep that on the list tomorrow. eBay also had pretty good volume. Both eBay and Amazon had same-store sales that were reported, so keep an eye on those for tomorrow. BlackBerry and SanDisk also traded good volume. BlackBerry reversing down pretty hard from yesterday's burst to the upside. That was 5% below the opening level, the BBRY. As far as the financials go, a little bit better to the sell side here. Just one buy indication, NYX. Definitely keep an eye on this group. Had kind of an inside-ish day here at range high. So if we resolve this either way, we could get a pretty good move tomorrow. So kind of hoping for a downside break since there's a lot of overbought energy in these, but you have to take it one candle at a time. If they give it to us, we'll play it. Energy patch was fairly weak today. A lot of these commodities opened up and kind of had a soft close. So what that left us with was more sell side indications than anything else here on the commodity patch. So keep an eye on those. Keep an eye on Valero too. That bounced back strongly today, up 4.5% above the open, but does have an exhaustion in place on the Seeker and Comer, so keep that on the radar. That's the VL low. As far as the generals go, kind of mixed here. A couple of buys, a couple of sells. Not really seeing anything too much that stands out too much here. Housing stocks a little bit weak today. A couple of CPS downside signals. Hovnanian and Home Depot both with sell indications. Just keep in mind they're on fairly light volume. Differential buy signal in the FedEx, but the rest of the transports are kind of ho-hum here. In the commodities, definitely weak. Camouflage sell signal ABX, FCX, and Mosaic. So keep an eye on those. Mosaic, the FCX was fairly strong early and really faded, so that could be a target for some more selling tomorrow. So keep an eye on that. All right, folks, that'll be it for today's scan recap. Hope to see you again tomorrow, and as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich Derrick for tradesight.